Back up.
There you go, sit.
That'll chew.
Mistreated dogs often endure unimaginable hardships. But what happens when their suffering is met with the compassion and bravery of hero cops?
Reach your arm up.
Ah, Daphne!
Come on. Hey, buddy. Come here.
Let's begin with the case of Officer Anthony Giorgio of the Pensacola Police Department in Florida, who smashed open the front window of a car to rescue a crying puppy that had been left unattended in extreme heat by its owner.
Where's he at?
Yeah, you got some cool water?
That's hot. I will put you right here for right now.
On June the 26th, 2016, Officer Anthony Giorgio was dispatched to the Cordova Mall parking lot after a 911 report of a puppy locked in a car. Upon arrival, he found out the situation was worse than he had expected. The puppy was panting heavily, struggling to breathe as outside temperatures soared to a scorching 94 Fahrenheit.
210 Pensacola, copy 98. 622, Cuba back.
Where you at?
You fell off the back seat underneath the one, so I don't think you can get out. Sounds like a baby, isn't it?
He's real small. He's like, I want to say maybe 6 9 months old.
182 to Sergeant 73. He appears to be in distress.
Unit 73. 73.
Hey, Sarge, it's 182. This, it's a puppy, and I can't see it, but it's crying. It appears to be in distress.
Officer Giorgio quickly sprang into action and rescued the puppy from the scorching temperatures inside the car.
Yeah.
To the board, go ahead and get it. Are you at milk?
Negative. I'm in front of the food court right now. Come here. Come here. Come here, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Puppy, all right.
Y'all got any water?
I do. It's not really cold because I've had it.
182 to Pensacola.
My hand's got hand
We have 182. Oh, Monique Richardson can find nothing. Go ahead.
Put a note I had to make entry into the passenger front window.
Oh, he's so thirsty. Yeah. Oh, look at him. He knows.
Go there.
Oh,
Let me,
baby.
you don't mind holding him? Let me grab something real quick and get him some water. Where's he at?
Yeah. You got some cool water?
That's hot.
Oh, okay. We'll pour that out. This is not ice cold, but it's cool.
Good.
It's just cool.
Let's get him in the shade or get him in my car. Come on, stay down. I will put you right here for right now. Right there. Get this AC. Yeah. I mean, I have two small dogs at home. These little guys, it's just.
It's pretty sad. It's been at least 20-30 minutes since we got here, and then now it's almost an hour or so, and they still haven't came back.
Yeah, it was
that dog would have been dead by then.
Yeah, well, we got the call at 12:55.
Yeah.
And you know, so.
This little puppy would have probably been dead if they didn't.
Yeah.
And I got it at 117.
Yeah, so it's
It's after 1:30 now.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Nearly an hour and a half later, the owner returned to find their car's window smashed and their puppy missing as it had been confiscated by animal control. However, the owner seemed more concerned about their broken window rather than the welfare of their puppy.
Sir, can you come over here for a second, please, so we can finish all this? I can't hear you.
Last broke, y'all just took the dog. Y'all gonna say it's cool to the animals and have the dog in the vehicle at that point in time, but we finna leave and go back home. You know what I'm saying? We just ran here.
I get what you're saying.
We got food in the car right now that we don't even want to spoil.
I understand that, but also it's been an hour and 15 minutes now that y'all have been in there, at least since we've been here. So that dog would have been in there in 94 plus degree temperatures for an hour and 15 minutes.
So what's gonna have to happen next?
Well, if you give me a second, let me write all this information down. I'll tell you everything.
I just
okay?
see you nervous, you shaking. That's what I'm talking
Buddy, I'm not nervous. I've been out here in 100-degree weather for over an hour.
So you just need to get your information.
Here you go, bud.
Forward it to them, basically.
Yeah, no, the only reason why I'm shaking is because I've been standing out in this 90-degree weather with full polyester. Basically what happened, guys, is I came up, and unfortunately the dog was in distress and I couldn't get in your vehicle.
Yeah.
We couldn't make contact with you guys, so per Florida law, we're actually allowed to break the window, and that's what we did. So we broke the window to get the dog. So if y'all have any questions about that, I can give y'all a case number where you can reference the whole report. I can get that in just a second if you want to, and then you can go from there, okay?
So you got the number for the
Animal control. I'm gonna give them y'all's information and they'll give y'all a call.
But the thing is, they're not open on the weekend for the public, so the number that we can give you, they're not going to answer when we're getting it. So we're going to try to get in contact with them.
That's
he should.
$3 grand dog, man.
He should. Hey, hold on, man. I'm trying to tell you what the thing is. He should try to get a hold of you here very recently. It's just we don't have any way of contacting them until we leave a message with them. Then they'll be able to get back.
Yeah.
So if you're going to be in town for at least another hour or so, I'm sure he'll call you within that time is what I'm getting at. So and then we can at least figure out what's going to happen. You want to get that?
Yep.
In the end, the owner was fined by animal control, and as for the tiny canine, it was eventually reunited with his mother. Let's explore the heroic actions of an Ohio police officer with the Akron Police Department who saved a French bulldog from a crossfire during a home robbery standoff.
Show me your hair! This may be a 43, everybody. It may be a 43.
Get more units here, call it a single 100.
Come here.
On December the 8th, 2022, Akron police officers were in the midst of a home robbery standoff when one of them noticed a French bulldog approaching the line of fire. Acting swiftly, the officer guided the dog away from the line of fire despite knowing that he might get hit in the process. He took the risk anyway.
Show me your hair! Show me your hair! Hey, this may be a 43, everybody. It may be a 43.
All right, we're in crossfire. Move it out.
Okay. Gunshot or what?
That shot's fired.
Yeah, we don't know what it was. Let's back up, man. Let's get to this car.
Anyone confirm that?
We cannot. That's what we were just gonna do. Come on. Come here, Pop. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
73, they're claiming they have a hostage. Let's get more units here. Get more units here, call it a single 100.
Come here.
Got it. We're all good.
24 any of the units. Okay. And 13.
And they went in
Dog in the way.
11, Georgia.
Smoke.
In the end, the French bulldog was safely reunited with its owner. Next is the case of Sergeant Bourdin from the Bradenton Police Department, who broke through an SUV window to rescue a dog trapped inside.
Come here. Come here, good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Here you go.
On July the 8th, 2024, Sergeant Bourdin responded to a 911 call about a dog left inside an SUV in the scorching heat. Upon arrival, he noted that the car wasn't running and the windows were cracked less than an inch. The dog appeared to be in distress and her owner was nowhere to be found. Fearing for the dog's safety and realizing that she was gradually succumbing to the heat, the officer was left with no option but to resort to desperate measures to save her.
I know, buddy. I'm gonna get you out. You're hot in there. I get it. You got a leash? Back up, buddy. Back up. Good boy. I know, you're so hot in here. Good boy. Good boy. Let's get out of here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Stay here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Good boy. Good girl. Stay here. Good girl. Yeah, we'll get you some water. Don't worry. Come here. Come here. We'll get her over here. I don't want the glass. Come here. Look, right here. Let's get some water. Yeah, let's get some water. Come here. Oh, good girl. Just set it down, yeah. So thirsty. Uh-oh. There you go.
I think your whatever stuff is down here is getting a little wet. Are you okay with that? I don't know what's down.
In the end, the dog's owner was located but was placed in animal services and still remains there while the investigation continues. Agreed that the rescue was brave, it was nothing compared to this case involving Atlanta's Zone 1 police officers who risked their lives in the face of an explosion to rescue a dog tied to a leash near a raging car fire.
I'm gonna grab that dog. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. No, don't cut it.
I don't too.
On March the 8th, 2021, Atlanta's Zone 1 police officers responded to a vehicle fire when they were made aware of a dog tethered to a tree near the fully engulfed vehicle. The officers quickly sprang into action, placing themselves in harm's way to free the dog.
Ma'am, the dogs will be fine right now.
He's right there.
He's right where?
Right there.
Okay.
He's right there. He's not a starter. He's right there.
I'm gonna grab that dog. Yep. Come on. Hey buddy, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Hey, buddy, it's okay. It's okay. No, don't cut it. Don't cut it. He's on the. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Jesus. Y'all got him? You get it? Come on. Hey, it's okay. It's okay, Bubba. It's okay. Can you see? Can you come up? Hold on. It's okay, buddy. Hold him tight, hold him tight. I don't want to cut him. Hold my leg. Let me try to do it. Hold him, just hold him.
Amidst the intense heat and growing danger, officers worked tirelessly to remove the collar from the dog's neck. Even at the risk of an explosion, the officers remained undeterred in their rescue efforts.
Cut him.
I don't too. Let's bring him down if you can. Bring him down. I got you. I got you. I got you. He off. He off. He off. Come on, he off. He off. Come on. I got him. Go. Let's go. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Come. Come. Come on, boy. Come on. I got him. Come on, boy. Come on. I got you. I got you. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. I got you. Come here. Come here. Come. Hold on, y'all. No. Hey. 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 I got you. Hey, boy. Yeah, I wasn't gonna let you go down like that. I wasn't gonna let you go down. I wasn't gonna let you go down like that. I wasn't gonna let you go down. Yeah. Yeah. Come on.
In the end, the officers successfully rescued the dog and removed it from danger. Following that, we have the case of Cleveland police officers who gave a puppy a second lease at life by rescuing her from a drainage sewer line.
Stephanie! Don't move.
Reach your arm up.
Ah, Daphne!
You probably can't see out of there.
No.
17 years old.
Daphne, you're back with your mommy.
On July the 26th, 2016, police officers were dispatched to Cleveland's east side near Yale and St. Clair after a 911 call from an elderly lady named Edna Sutton, who reported that her dog had fallen into the drainage sewer line. Upon arrival, the officers swiftly sprang into action and began the rescue of a dog whose fate was otherwise sealed.
Anyone got some gloves?
Daphne! Oh, Daphne is alive!
I don't want to run away from you.
You need
have a
gloves?
leash? I'll get it.
I'm a small person.
Oh, no. We'll get it.
Stay there no matter what. Just stay right there.
Oh, bless her little heart.
Oh, you guys, dinner, lunch, whatever.
It's all right, man.
Oh, my
She was white, now she's black. Yeah. Stephanie!
Daphne!
Don't move.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
She's gonna need a bath.
What is Sean get?
Coda.
Bless her heart.
Oh, yeah. Was she friendly to people? She ain't gonna run away from him.
Daphne, it's okay.
He might get food. I just don't want her, get scared and scoot off, You picked the right one.
Yes, she did. She's got someplace to stand on.
Yeah.
I guess she says I've never been in this
So did
kind
she
of water.
fall out of? She fall down from that big one, then, right?
Yeah, over
She
here.
fell from there to there, right? She fell from there to there, right? Yeah, probably.
That one is not as deep, I don't think, as this one is.
Here, put it in there.
2 buds in here.
Because I know one of these ladders is over back over there. Boy, he's a dog lover from his heart, isn't he?
Careful on make sure those steps over here. That's what we're doing. Help myself.
hell is that?
Hi, RC223. I am just got off from the sewer. The truck is around the corner. I got it. We'll be pulling up momentarily.
This is it. Oh, I wish I had a camera to take that picture. Here.
You want this coat, Sean?
Miss Olivia.
I think I can bring it right up there. Someone can lean down.
Okay. I'm sure he'll be pulling up anyway by the time I call him.
Sewer's around the corner, just so you know.
Let's just keep him there. Make sure we don't need him. Tell Sean I said thank you.
Good job.
One hand at a time, man. One hand at a time.
Reach your arm up.
Ah, Daphne! Oh, some of that stuff got in her eyes.
She probably just got something in her eye.
You're just gonna have to take her to the vet and have him do something. Hey, Mama. And then she might have hit that eye.
She might have fell pretty far.
Right.
Hey,
might
Mama.
have hit something on her way down.
Put her on my lap.
God bless you. God bless you.
Her eyes jacked up pretty good.
She's gonna have to
Yeah,
go to
she
the
probably
vet.
can't see out of there.
No.
17 years old.
Daphne, you're back with your mommy.
Oh, 7?
No, 17. 17.
I say it's like spring chicken.
You're back with your mommy, Daphne.
Yay!
Nice work, sit back
All right, look this way.
Excellent work. Prayer works.
Oh, Daphne.
In the end, the dog was taken to the vet and given a clean bill of health. Now, let's delve into the remarkable case in which North Richland Hills officer Allday and Saunders saved a 95-pound Rottweiler named Roxy that had wedged herself underneath her family's shed while chasing a possum.
Hold on, baby, we're almost there. Hey, there you go.
On the evening of July the 9th, 2023, a pet owner contacted the North Richland Hills Joint Communication Center to report that her 95-pound Rottweiler Roxy was trapped under a shed. Roxy had likely become wedged while chasing a possum. Officers Allday and Saunders arrived at Pate Lane where the dog was stuck, and upon realizing just how badly stuck Roxy was, the officers knew they were in for a long ride and that they had to act fast. The dog was overheating and getting increasingly stressed. They knew it was a matter of time before Roxy's situation became critical.
Oh, I got another battery. Hold on, baby, we're almost there. Hey, there you go.
Aside from being hot and a bit worked up from being trapped, Roxy was later reported to be fine. If you thought you knew bravery, wait until you hear about Officer Trent Hullinger from the Fort Wayne Police Department, who ventured into freezing waters to rescue 2 black Labradors trapped in an icy pond at Ivan Lebemoff Reservoir Park.
Hey guys, you guys okay? Go boys, you coming? Come on. Hey buddy, come here. Come here. Let's go. Good boys.
On January the 28th, 2024, the Fort Wayne Police Department dispatch received a 911 call from a resident near Reservoir Park who was concerned that a dog might have fallen through the ice on the pond. A concerned resident reported hearing frantic barking and seeing something black in the water. Officer Trent Hullinger, who was nearby, quickly responded to investigate. He discovered 2 black Labrador retrievers whose careless owners had neglected their safety, trapped in the northeast part of the reservoir. Both dogs were struggling desperately to escape, their heads and front paws clinging to the concrete edge surrounding the water.
Hey guys, you guys okay? Go boys, you coming? Come on buddies, you okay? Come on guys, you coming? Come on, you need help? Hi, hi, you coming? Come on, come on. Hey buddy, come here, come here. Good job buddy, good job. Come on guys, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Good boys, come on, come on. You go bye-bye. Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good boys. Good guys, come on. Come on, go bye-bye. Go for a ride. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, guys. Come here. Hey, hey. Come here. Hey, come on.
In the end, the 2 labs were given to Fort Wayne Animal Care and Control, with hopes of reuniting the dogs with their owner or finding them a new home. Speaking of heroic cops rescuing dogs from abusive owners, meet Officer Robert Goodrich of the Mesa Police Department, who went above and beyond to save a lost dog stranded in a canal.
It's okay. There you go, sit. You have a tag on you? It's okay, sit down.
On August 1st, 2017, Officer Robert Goodrich was dispatched after a runner called 911 to report a dog, later identified as Sparky, stranded in a canal between Center Street and Country Club Drive. The dog's owner, John Tenaglia, had been walking Sparky off-leash in a grassy area behind a fence near the Oakland A's facilities, when Sparky, attracted by some ducks, unexpectedly fell into the canal. It was dark that morning, so Sparky didn't see the water until it was too late. The dog swam for about 30 minutes from the Oakland A's facilities westward toward Mesa Cemetery before the runner spotted him.
Can you come here, dog? Stay there. Let me see if I can grab him with the snare. Yeah. Come here, pup. Come here, dog. Come here. Come here. Ooh, that's soft. Come here, guy. Come here. Stay there. Four out of 31 to 1 out of 35. Are you coming to this? No, I'm working on it. Can you come in on the south side of the canal? We're between Center and Country Club. It's okay, stay there. Come here. There you go, sit. It's okay, it's okay. Whew. Come here, bud. Hey, sit down. Hey, chill out. Chill out. 31, I got the dog out. There you go. Come here. Come here, sit down. Goodrich. It's okay. Hey, come here. You okay? Calm down. There you go. You have a tag on you? It's okay. Sit down. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. Sit down. Come here. Come here. Hey. It's okay. I don't want to get bit though. It's okay. Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. We'll take him straight to the, I'm just gonna take him to the vet. He's bleeding, so. Probably the one right here on Country Club, just north of Brown. On the west side, I think it's like 14 or 1500 north.
Concerned for his welfare, another officer transported Sparky to a nearby animal hospital for a quick checkup. Thankfully, Sparky was microchipped and was reunited with John Tenaglia, his owner. Next up, we have the heroic deeds of Officer Carly Stone, who risked her life to evacuate an animal shelter in the path of a massive wildfire.
That's a good boy. Come on. Get in. That's a good dog.
On August the 11th, 2018, the Bakerville Police Department dispatched officers to assist staff members from the SPCA of Solano County, who had been ordered to evacuate quickly due to the Nelson fire. Officer Carly Stone and other shelter workers managed to load at least 60 dogs and cats into various vehicles, ensuring their escape from the blaze.
Oh, we just want to get here. Take these guys with you. My car's open. That's a good boy. Come on. Get in. That's a good dog. Let's go for a ride. Come on, get in. Come on. It's a good doggy. Come on. Got all the dogs out.
In the end, all animals in the buildings were saved and placed in foster homes. If you thought bravery had limits, think again. Boynton Beach Police Department officers demonstrated incredible courage by rescuing a dog from suffocation after it was left locked in a car for hours in the blistering summer heat.
Oh, Lord. Hi, buddy.
You got water?
Come here, sweetheart. Come here, baby.
On July the 3rd, 2017, Bainton police officers were dispatched to the parking lot of a local Supercuts hair salon after a 911 call reported a dog trapped inside a car during a heat wave. Upon arrival, the officers immediately assessed the situation and acted swiftly, as the dog's condition was critical. If they hadn't moved quickly, the dog was at risk of dying from suffocation.
I'm sorry, 10-9. All I heard was window.
I just broke the window.
Okay, we just broke the window, dog in distress, 10-39.
Oh, Lord. Hi, buddy.
You got water? It's a pit, I believe.
He has a leash.
Oh, yeah, and it is kind of muzzled. All right.
Yeah.
Go ahead, let me. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Is there a way to unlock this thing?
It's way up front.
Oh.
Come here.
Is it what?
Come here. Actually, we'll just put the, you got a water, we'll just put it in the front seat.
Hey, baby. You got the training leash on. Is this open? Can we unlock this? Hey, baby.
No, it's like all the way up here.
Here you go, sweetheart. We need to get it out of here.
You guys are gross.
Let me just
Oh,
grab.
there's its one. I think there's its leash.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here, baby. Come here.
Oh, good boy.
Let me get this. Come here, baby.
Hi, baby.
Let me get it in the shade. Let me go up here, sweetheart.
In the end, the owner of the dog was fined by animal control before being reunited with his dog.